He knew all the road of face all time. And you are trying to better them life. And you, there, I blame the system.
No, blame the system. Me I blame the people that were supposed to do it for me.
And I owe them there.
Parents.
You know your parents?
Yes and no.
What that mean?
I don't know my father there. And my mother.
What happened to her?
She devil.
What kind of relationship you have with your mother?
Put it this way. You have a better relationship with your mother than me have with my mother.
You want a better relationship with your mother?
Which you two want a better relationship with them old lady?
Sean, tell me who you supply with the phone then. I mean, see what I can do for you.
Things now get better on my side. Don't go our side. Men are not snitch.
I can't help you. How you know my name? And who else it tell?
That's your biggest concern, not true. You just want information out of me. And the one time I hear things, I actually find somebody who care. You don't really want to help me. You just want to know where you feel more from me.
I can't help nobody who refuse to help themselves. So let me make this clear. I'm a junior agent, and it's important my identity stay a secret.
So that means your mother don't say you're an agent.
That and your business. Just know this. If you want to make me know how you know me, make sure so you stay in one hole and not repeat it to nobody.
So, you don't really like how you own a flesh and blood?
What?
By the way, I'm not supposed to get a phone call. You can get it now, please.
No! You gotta tell me what you mean by that.
I don't have nothing more to say to you till I get my one phone call.
Oi. Make sure it depends on speaker.
No problem. Anything you say now, officer. I know me want to talk to you no more. I your daughter. Officer.
Maureen?
Talk about family reunion. Guess we have a lot of catching up to do. Sis.